Hi guys, today we are gonna unbox my many parcels. This is my Absolute foundation, guys. Mahal to, guys. Pinag-ipunan ko to noong December pa. Wow! Look at that, guys. Look. Eh, ang bigat niya. Okay, next. This is kind of nice. It's... Ang ganda! 30. I like these shoes. Ay, hindi. Ito yung kay mama. Masakit siya sa paa. Ah! Ang ganda. Ah! Ang ganda. Tignan ko guys yung shoe shop. Oh. Uy, maganda siya. Ito yung favorite part ko. Ah! Fragile. Ganda niya! I'm just happy right now because I've earned this with my own hard-earned money. So yun lang guys. I'm very happy about my orders. Ito siya lahat. Ang Centella, ang dalawang shoes ni mom, dalawang shoes ko, tsaka ang Absolute foundation. I can't wait to try it tomorrow. I'll figure it out. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching with me. Nakasira na itong dalawa ko. Kakabit ko din siya tonight. Or baka tomorrow. Bye, guys.